Crafting an exceptional resume is crucial in showcasing your skills, experiences, and qualifications to potential employers. Here's a detailed guide on how to build the best resume possible. 1. Understand the purpose. Recognize that a resume serves as a marketing tool, presenting your qualifications and experience in a concise and compelling manner. 2. Choose the right format. Opt for a clear and professional layout. Chronological, functional, or combination formats suit different career paths. Use a clean font, proper spacing, and clear sections for easy readability. 3. Include essential sections. Contact information, name, professional email, phone number, and LinkedIn profile, if applicable. Resume objective or summary. A brief statement summarizing your career goals or professional profile. Work experience. List relevant job experiences in reverse chronological order, highlighting achievements, responsibilities, and skills acquired. Education. Include degrees, certifications, and relevant coursework, emphasizing academic achievements. Skills. Showcase technical, soft, and transferable skills relevant to the job you're applying for. Additional sections, if applicable. Volunteer work, internships, publications, awards, or professional memberships. 4. Tailor your resume. Customize your resume for each job application by aligning your experiences and skills with the job description. Highlight accomplishments and skills that directly relate to the job requirements. 5. Quantify achievements. Use numbers, percentages, or metrics to quantify your accomplishments. For instance, increased sales by 30% or managed a team of 15 employees. 6. Focus on achievements and impact. Use action verbs and focus on achievements rather than job duties to demonstrate your contributions. Showcasing how your work positively impacted previous employers can make your resume stand out. 7. Showcase relevant skills. Tailor your skills section to the job description. Include technical skills, software proficiencies, and soft skills valued in the industry. 8. Use keywords. Incorporate industry-specific keywords and phrases from job descriptions. Many employers use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to scan resumes for relevant keywords. 9. Keep it concise. Aim for a one-page resume for entry-level positions or 2 pages for more experienced candidates, ensuring every detail is relevant and impactful. 10. Proofread and edit. Review your resume multiple times to eliminate typos, grammatical errors, and inconsistencies. Ask a trusted friend or mentor to review and provide feedback. 11. Use a professional summary or objective. Include a brief summary or objective at the beginning of your resume, highlighting your career goals or professional profile. 12. Utilize professional design elements. Use bullet points, bold headers, and strategic spacing to make your resume visually appealing and easy to scan. 13. Consider including a cover letter. When possible, include a tailored cover letter that complements your resume, showcasing your interest in the specific role and company. 14. Update regularly. Keep your resume updated with new skills, experiences, certifications, or achievements. A well-crafted resume is a dynamic document that evolves with your career. By following these steps and continually refining your resume, you'll present a compelling snapshot of your professional profile to potential employers.